अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूँ सैयद फ़याज़ हसन शाह। I am Syed Fiyaz Hassan Shah and you are watching my YouTube channel Modern Agri Techniques. The plants which I am going to show you is the Bougainvillea plant. It is a big plant. You can see it is a multi-stem plant and I have grafted so many colors on that plant. You can see, imagine its height about 6 point something feet, and on each I have made some iron baskets and uh, some its branches are covering now these baskets, and on each basket there will be 2 to 3 colors. You can see, you can identify it from its leaves. The leaves color is different, you can see. So it is very precious plant, and so many colors on the same plant. About 10 to 12 colors will be on that plant, and that is the other plant which I have grafted. You can see its trunk, and then some baskets, iron baskets I have made, and there will be about also 10 colors on that plant. Similarly, you can see that plant is big stem, and I have made some iron baskets, and each basket will have some 3 to 4 colors, and there will be also 10 to 12 colors on that plant. And it is the next beautiful plant of Bougainvillea with beautiful stem. You can see its stem beauty, and it becomes then multi-stem, and it has also so many colors you can find on that plant. And in the month of August, these all plants will be covered with different colors. All baskets will be covered with the different baskets, different colors. You can also identify them from their leaves color, and it is a very, very beautiful collection and beautiful grafting work. You can see it, so many colors are coming out, and it is Multan. Very harsh climate today. The weather is pleasant here because after 6 months we have observed rain. So these beautiful bogies will be again uploaded on my YouTube channel Modern Agri Techniques and Landscaping in the month of August, when these will be filled with different colors of flowers. All baskets will have 4 to 5 colors, and on each plant there will be 10 to 12 colors. Huge plant, that is huge plant, and especially its stem is very beautiful. Multi-stem, and it will become a beautiful ornamental multi-color grafted compact plant of Bougainvillea. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel to watch my other notifications time to time. Thank you very much.